This course is a guide to creating a professional artist's website. In this course, you will gain valuable information that will take you from a place where you are making art to a place where the art you make can be seen in a professional and sophisticated context. With this course, you will learn how to frame yourself online as an artist to be taken seriously. We'll start at the very beginning by teaching you everything you need to know in order to decide how to build your website. You'll be learning what a domain name is and where you can get one, and what hosting is and where you can get that. Then we'll go through a selection of some of the best builders for artist websites and the pros and cons of each. After that, we'll move on to setting up personalised email addresses with your domain. When that is all clear, we'll move on to structuring your website properly and some simple design and user experience tips. We'll also learn about images and how they are displayed and work on the web and on mobile devices, as well as videos and how to get them on your website. You will learn the basics of using fonts or Google Fonts on your website, and finally, we'll learn about how your website works on mobile devices and some tips to keep in mind. Once all that is clear, we'll populate your website with some essential professional content. That's your biography and your artist CV. We'll talk you through a step-by-step process of creating these essential documents, showing you how to appear professional, how to talk about yourself and your work, and how to promote what you have done in the most efficient and professional manner. This course is about taking you and your art to the next level and starting your career as a professional artist.